Alright guys, here's a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Bellhaven in oil red bronze finish. I received this as a present. Can't even remember why. It was just a random surprise about 2 years ago. And I just got around to noticing it again and installing it. I forgot when it was made, but I don't really say that in my videos anymore anyway. I'll just put it in the description if I can get to the tag. But yeah, only thing really wrong with it is that right there, and the glass holders are mismatched because we lost 2 of them, so we had to go to Home Depot and get replacements. Luckily they fit. So here's the lights. Really bright LEDs. Only one of them is mismatched, but can't really tell anyway besides the design. Here's low. Notice I only had to pull once. This fan is a 2-speed fan, and that is strictly because when I got this thing, the wiring was all messed with, and I capped off whatever. It didn't look like it had a place to me, so looks like that was medium speed because it doesn't have a medium. Because you can see if I pull it again, there's just a speed missing, and then this is off obviously, and here's high. It's really wobbly. I'm not even sure why. Blades are in balance, but I'm guessing with these thin beams, anything that has the urge to wobble or vibrate, it will. This is probably one of the biggest ones that does that. But anyway. Not bad for whatever motor size is in here. Looks pretty small, so I'd say 153. There's like a lot of my stuff up right now, as I said in the Huntington video. So the lights again. I guess we can pull it the amount of times. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for what's to come next.